It's a little sore from talking about fucking Neptune. Can I tell you the other fucking day I'm sitting in the cafeteria, right? I'm sitting down. I'm eating my dinosaur-shaped chicken nuggets.
Shit.
Everything's great. And then Neptune Vasila, whatever, just walks in and sits down right next to Wise. And he's all like, oh, I'm Neptune. I'm not British, but this is the voice I've chosen to give myself. Also, what's Britain?
That's
And he's all like... And he sits down next to her, right? And Weiss is just like trying to enjoy a meal, as she does with her coffee with 2 sugars, no cream because she's a classy woman. But Neptune would never know that. He sits on down to her, and he does this whole like.
He sits on her?
Down next to her.
Oh.
Down next to her. And he's all like, guess what he says? Guess what he says? Guess what he says?
What does he say?
Hey, fuck you, man. That's fucked up, all right? Don't talk to her like that. She deserves so much better. Fucking piece of shit, asshole, douchebag, cunt.
So could we animate this?
Look, he paid $1,337 fucking dollars
Worth every
For the
penny.
kids.
for the kids.
Also, Miles was staring directly into my eyes as he said fucking.
Yeah.
cunt.
I
It was like right. It was totally directed towards our side.
Neptune's there. Neptune's there.
No, that's Carrie.
Yeah, so.
Hey, guys, what's
But
up?
you were
What
yelling.
the fuck did you just say to her?
Also, that whole entire, that conversation was basically the conversation that Michael and I had the first time we met in Rooster Teeth. Yeah. Hey, I know I told you.
So thank you for donating your money.
I like
Yes.
your tattoos.
I should have some more water.
Cool.
Yes, a
Cool.
bit.
Thanks, Michael.
Peace out.
My voice, I've been, oh.
Hey.
Oh, shit. You know what I have here?
Oh God.
Apple cider vinegar.
Oh.
So I've
Yeah,
got,
can we add
Watch
that to
him
the
yeah, I'm
wheel?
gonna go get it right now.
Shot of
Alright.
apple
Wait,
cider
what?
vinegar.
Someone's pointing out that actually